Hello students, greetings from TSN School. Welcome to online classes. Today we'll be starting from class 8 CBSE English textbook, that is Honeydew. And our very first chapter is The Best Christmas Present in the World by Mikhail Morphugo. So, before we start chapter, the very first line you see from here, the narrator wants us to read this. So, let's start. There are some dates or periods of time in the history of the world that are so significant that everyone knows and remember them. The story will read mentions one such date and event, a war between British and Germans in 1914. Can you guess which war it was? So, can you really guess कि ये कौन सी वॉर थी? So, it was the first world war between British and Germans. And the narrator wants us that to remember these dates because these are very significant. आपके second line में लिखा है like they are very important that we should remember these dates and how these dates are still affecting or you can say helping us in present also. So before starting chapter, I'll just give you a small introduction about this lesson. So the lesson, the best Christmas present, tells a Christmas story in middle of the war. एक ऐसी स्टोरी बताएंगे, अ क्रिसमस स्टोरी, कि क्रिसमस के टाइम हुआ क्या था, क्रिसमस इवनिंग पे क्या हुआ था और ये कब हुआ था, इन बिटवीन दैट फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. It also reflects upon the longing of the soldiers to reunite with their families. Longing means strong desire, चाहत. ये स्टोरी हमें बताती है उन सोल्जर्स के बारे में कि how they desire to meet their family. It also throws light upon the longing of the families of these soldiers. Same families were also having strong desire to meet their brother, sister, son, husband. Okay. And one such wife, Connie, a 101-year-old lady whose husband was soldier in British Army, she misunderstood her visitor to be her husband Jim. And this meeting was called so-called reunion. Now I'll tell you the character. So first character what we see is Connie. Who was Connie? Connie was wife of Jim. After her husband went to war, she spent her whole life in a belief that she will see him again. A fire broke in her house that burnt her completely. So Connie कौन है? Wife of Jim. And how she spent whole his life we'll be seeing in this lesson. And even narrator told us that कि उसके हाउस में आग लग गई थी, that burnt her partially, कि कॉनी को उसने हाफ जला दिया था उस आग ने. And the second character is Jim. Who was Jim? Jim was first of all husband of Connie, and he was leader of his British army troops, and before getting into war he was school teacher at Dorset. What is Dorset now? Dorset is again you can say a area or city in Britain. Okay. Now even it is not mentioned here, but I am telling you the third character in this lesson is Hans Wolf. Who was him? He was captain of German troop army, or you can say army. He was in orchestra after in Dusseldorf before the war. Okay. Now who was Hans? Again जैसे कि जिम कौन था? यहाँ का लीडर था, ब्रिटिश का. सिमिलरली हैंस वॉज कैप्टन ऑफ जर्मन आर्मी एंड ही वर्क्स इन ऑर्केस्ट्रा. ऑर्केस्ट्रा मीन्स ग्रुप ऑफ म्यूजिशियंस, और उसने वॉर से पहले एक ऑर्केस्ट्रा में काम करता था. नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू इन द इंट्रोडक्शन कि जो कॉनी है वो मिसअंडरस्टूड कर जाती, मीन्स उसको ऐसा सिर्फ लगता है कि एक विज़िटर आया था कॉनी के पास, सो शी मिसअंडरस्टूड दैट विज़िटर एज हर हस्बैंड. उस विज़िटर को वो अपना हस्बैंड समझी है, और जब वो उस विज़िटर से मिले हैं तो उस मीटिंग को दे कॉल्ड एज रीयूनियन. रीयूनियन मीन्स मिलना, वापस मिलना. नाउ from the first part of this lesson, we'll be starting from here. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport. So यहाँ पे कौन है I? I is narrator of this chapter, Mikhail. Okay, so narrator is standing, or you can say find a junk shop. Junk shop, I'll tell you what it is. So junk shop is a shop selling or consisting of many second hand or old material. ठीक है, let's begin again. I spotted it in a junk shop at Bridport, a roll top desk. The man said it was nearly 19th century and oak. I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. This was in a bad condition, the roll top in several pieces, one leg clumsily mended, scorch marks all down one side. It was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at back of my garage. I began work on it on Christmas Eve. So this lines narrator is telling where he was and what he was doing. The story opens with the you can say a narrator present in a second hand goods shop. He had been looking for roll top desk. What is the meaning of roll top desk? Roll top desk is a writing desk with a flexible cover sliding in curved grooves. I show you here in one of my picture. So this is roll top desk and नरेटर बता रहा है कि उसको ये चाहिए एंड इट इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, बहुत ही ज़्यादा पैसों की मिलेगी अगर वो न्यू लेता है. Now but as it was expensive, he couldn't get one because again when he was searching, he was going to of course different places, but he found that desk to be expensive. Finally he saw one at junk shop, same junk shop, okay, the shop which was having second hand things in Bridport is again a area. Okay, now when the story continues, the seller told him, the owner or you can say seller of that shop told him that it belonged to the days of early 19th century and was made up of oak. Oak means आपने oak tree सुना है, उसकी wood का, oak means wood का बना है, and from which wood? A wood taken from oak tree. As it was so old, it was clumsily mended. Clumsily mended means unprofessionally repaired, means उसको ठीक तो करा था but it was not at proper condition. जैसे कि इसमें पैराग्राफ में लिखा है कि उसकी one leg completely अच्छी तरीके से नहीं mend की थी. And were having scorch means burnt mark on it. Because it was so old and the condition in which it was in it was available for very cheap price. The narrator wanted to get it and and thought to restore it. Restore means he by seeing that desk he think I should buy this and restore it means मैं इसको ले लूँगा and even इसको मैं repair भी कर सकता हूँ. Restore basically means storing something, but here in this lesson restore means repair. Narrator thinks he can repair that old desk, and thus he bought it by paying the man in the shop and took it home. As he took it to his back of the garage and began working on it on the Christmas Eve. So you should note this thing कि जब उसने ये डेस्क लिया जो वो दिन था it was a Christmas day, and by the evening he bought that desk and start repairing it, mending it at the back of his garage.